catch them all. Wow! Whoa! La la la! Wow!
Mmm.
Oh! Whoa! La la la! Woohoo! Hi, Ruby. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, what is it?
I'm going to bake you a cake.
Wow, that's amazing!
Hello, friends. Let's make a cake. First, pick a cake base. Let's pick a flavor. Which one do you like? That flavor is just perfect. Let's make this cake extra special with yummy frosting. The frosting makes the cake look so cool. Decorate the cake with something yummy. Yummy toppings! Great pick! Let's add sprinkles on top. Delicious! I can't wait to taste it. Hooray! Hooray! Ta-da! The cake is ready!
Wow, thank you, Lucas. It's so pretty and yummy. You're the best friend ever, Lucas.
I'm so glad you like it. You're my best friend, too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Collect your gift.